In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect Notion and Slack together. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Notion like you usually would. You can either open it up by the app or via your browser. It doesn't really matter. From here, it should bring something like this. And here you'll need to go over to the settings tab over here in the menu. And then you'll need to go down to connections. Once you click on connections, it should bring something like this here. And from here, you'll need to go down to Browse Connections in Gallery. Once you click on that, this page should be popping up, where you can see the integration gallery. From here, you can quickly go over to the search bar, or just scroll down until you see Slack, but go to the search bar and click on Slack right here. And here you can see you'll have two options. You'll have Slack or Notion AI connector for Slack. The difference really is that the Slack here is to set up notifications and workflows between Notion and Slack, while Notion AI connectors will search workspaces knowledge across Notion and Slack. From here, you'll need to choose the Notion AI connector and click Add to Notion. Once you do that, you'll get this page right here, where you can see down here under AI connectors that you'll just need to scroll down until you see Slack right here. From here, you'll need to click on this plus icon, and then from here, you'll need to click Add On. Keep in mind that you'll need to have Notion Pro to actually connect to Notion. Once you've done that, you will have successfully connected Notion and Slack together, and that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!